All right, you guys, here we go. We are about to do the granite grip, you guys, right here, the 5-gallon bucket. We got it right there. Now, all right, this little bit of stuff I got on the floor is movable, so I'm not really worried about that. What am I worried about? I'm just worried about the hot tire pickup. It says it resisted, but I couldn't really test it because I didn't come out far enough to test out a hot tire. So I'm just gonna go ahead with this brand. If it fails, then I don't know what we have to do when it fails. Maybe I have to grind the whole floor out. I know Rust-Oleum have they have a thing where you can actually go like a primer that goes over your floor already if you already pre-painted your floor. So blah, 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 blah. Let's go ahead and finalize this thing. All right, you guys, we found the mixer. I'm gonna make that go. They mix all in. I'm gonna up down. Now get the system that one. All right, come still up. All right, look at this too. Now for that. There's no copy, guys. You ready? All right, I'm gonna leave it. If this is going to work or not, or what. This is our first time doing this, so this is new to everybody, all of us. All right. So we are going to go ahead. Now I actually saw BEHR paint, what you call it, their YouTube, and the guy was kind of like going around and around and around. And I'm like, I guess if that's how you're supposed to paint, but I don't know, it's kind of weird because this stuff is so thick that it's like almost like no such thing as a light coat. Because when you put it on, it's like the rocky stuff is mixed in. All right, you guys, we are sweating our butts off, but we are still going. Now, once again, this granite grip is hard to put down, but the second coat is a little bit easy. But here is a little trick. So you can see some of the light areas, and that is some of the areas, like you see how you can still see like browning on the concrete right here, and you see the granite grip a lot right here. So this is the hard part about the granite grip. All right, so I'm still going off the same 5 gallon bucket, you guys. So 5 gallons, I pretty much did a light coat on the first run, and now I'm just going with an easy coat on my second run. I have my second 5 gallon bucket right there. But this is the hard thing, all right? So when you get this, you see the granite grip right there, right? So I'm trying to get it all on the roller, and it's kind of hard when you do it like that. Might be easier. It's almost the same when you had it on, when I had it on the tray. But I just want to show y'all when you apply it on, right? Now, you can see, now you see how the grip is right there? It's actually going on easier, but you can see how some of the grip is missed. So you see right in this area, some of the grip is not here. So I'm gonna do that on my third go around, you guys. So I am gonna put 3 coats on, but the coats I'm putting on right now is going on smoother than what it was at first. It was really hard at first, but now it's easy. So you see how I just rolled that on? You see how the grip is right there? So you kind of just wanna put a little bit of pressure and try to get as much grip on here as possible so your whole floor can be like grippy. You know what I mean? You don't want these bald spots. So you see how the bald spots are here? I am going to try to get these spots really good. I was real heavy on my first run right here, as you can tell. So I will not need too much in this area. Okay, just wanted to show y'all that I will not need too much in this area and blase. But I just wanted to show y'all how this stuff goes on. This is not easy to paint. I'm just going, I'll tell y'all in my final review, but it's not easy to paint, you guys. So I'm gonna leave it as that. Let me go ahead and finish this. I'm still on my first bucket, you guys. So first bucket did 1 light coat, and now I'm doing a second coat right over top, trying to get as much of this grip on here as possible. So I will be cracking the other bucket up in a little bit. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all soon. All right, everyone, the second coat is down, and I have to say that I did a horrible job. No, not really a horrible job, but I think I should have stuck to, remember how I was putting it down at first when I was rolling, going side. I think I should have stuck to that because I rolled it like a regular paint job, and you can see the paint streaks. And once again, this stuff is like mortar, you guys. This stuff is like really thick. So what I'm going to do, since we still have some bald spots, but the second coat did do a good job. I actually like it, you guys. The texture of it feels amazing. I love this texture, you guys. All right, now, I did go heavy in some spots. So as you can see here, this spot is fully full. And then you can see the bald spot right there. What I'm going to do is get the texture sprayer, because I should have listened. Well, no, I should have read. So here, and once I find it, I wish I could find it really fast for y'all, but it says for a bigger area, use a sprayer. So we are going to get us a texture sprayer. Home Depot have a Husky one for like 80 bucks. We are going to try that out. It's an air one, but yeah. So this spot right here could be touched up a little bit, but it is good, you guys. I love the texture of this. It feels really good on your bare feet. Your it feels like a living space, you guys. All right, but I got to get rid of these streaks. So I will be spraying it, but I'm going to do a light spray. I am not going to do a heavy spray in here. So let me go ahead. I'm going to hit the Home Depot later on, maybe in the morning, and then I'll tackle this tomorrow morning and then let it dry for a couple of days, and then we will do the hot tire test and see how that works out. But other than that, I love this floor. I love it. It's almost the same color as the wall. So what I'm gonna do is paint it black to separate the two. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. Just wanted to show y'all that. And I'll catch back up with y'all in the morning.